What's up, everybody? We're going to do a quick unboxing on the SPG Plus dual handle phone gimbal by Feiyutech. So as you can see, dual handle. It's made for the iPhone. I think it's got an adapter for a GoPro camera as well. So let's check it out. Front of the box, obviously it's got a picture. Top looks like, just some more words. 3-axis gimbal for iPhone. This is also sold in the Apple store. So let's check out the back. Okay, so the back here. On the top we got some 1/4 threads for a cold shoe mount. Over here on this handle, the battery goes in the bottom. It's got the joystick, the shutter button for when you're using the app to your phone. It's got the indicator light for your battery, or to tell you that it's on. The USB charging port where you can actually charge your phone from the gimbal rig itself. So it says, panning on the top, it can roll and it can tilt. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's take a look here. Let's open the box. So inside the box, you have a warranty card, instructions. Alright, so let's take a look at the gimbal. Got some more foam, nice battery. And cold shoe mounts also in the bag with the battery. Take the foam off. So, first impressions. Solid, pretty sturdy, nice metal. Button feels good. It's pretty lightweight for what it is. Can't really complain. So, let's take a look. Let's put the battery together, get a phone in here, and balance it out. So, now that I'm off the struggle bus, so you're wondering, how do you get this to balance? So, let's get it going here. On the back side of this axis, you have this locking collar. So, once you get it loose, you'll be able to slide this in and out. So we'll get it adjusted. Okay, so tighten our collar back. So that's that. Balance. It's ready to go. Perfectly level without the motors on, so we'll push this button, turn it on, hold it, give it a fire up. So we're level. Use our joystick, turn it up and down. I guess I should say this is an iPhone 7 Plus that's on here. So some cool features about this. You can do like this. It's got different modes. So now we're in selfie mode, so we can selfie. Push it 3 times again, it'll go back. And for the people that like Snapchat or Instagram stories, you can turn it this way, hold it, it'll go into vertical shooting mode. So it'll go back, and it automatically can detect which mode you're in. So as I was saying earlier, it has these cold shoe mounts, or the 1/4 thread for a cold shoe on top to do a light or a microphone, depending on what you're using. And can also hold this thing upside down and it'll automatically rebalance, so you can hold it kind of like a helicopter pilot type, you know, to go back out of the shooting mode once again, detect it,